Edilgrappa Combax universal tool from Italy is here. It's a fantastic fit for manufacturers, rescuers, and even locksmiths. With this tool, you can easily open hydrants or car doors, break glass, and even cut seatbelts if necessary. You'll need to approach the manufacturer directly for an award for this device.
If you need to thread pipes, then you'd want this tool. It operates on batteries, giving you independence. It can handle threading 30 pipes individually, each with a diameter of 5 centimeters. An LED notification will let you know when the job is done, and it comes with built-in light. This tool weighs around 11 kilograms and costs $1,600.
Let's test these LED lights for a new painting experience, at least according to the manufacturers. These lights are compatible with your spray gun or airbrush, providing effective illumination during your work. They emulate natural sunlight and provide an additional hour of power at full or half power with a single charge. You can get the lights with 4 adapters for $350, faster than fixing pipes with Kibosh pipe repair clamps.
This clamp can be installed in just a few seconds, capable of fixing leaks without shutting off water. It can withstand pressure up to 10 bar and is compatible with a wide range of pipe materials, including plastic and copper. The clamp costs $24.
Get an Aqua drill for quick drilling without dust, chips, or splinters. It boasts a torque of 90 Newton meters and can reach up to 3,850 RPM. Additionally, it has a water supply system that prevents the drill bit from overheating and reduces contact pressure.
Flex offers these corner drills. Flex Compact FX 1671 can operate in woodwork and manage holes up to 10 centimeters in diameter. This drill weighs 4.7 kilograms and comes with a 6-hour battery. For Flex FX 1681, it can handle drilling up to 16 centimeters in diameter with the same 6-hour battery, but weighs 6.2 kilograms. The prices for these drills range from $3 to $429.
There's a tool available here for decking installation without visible fasteners. It has a 50-angled guide and built-in spaces, aiding in securing gaps between 3.5 and 6.5 millimeters for boards ranging from 90 to 150 millimeters in width. It's suitable and available for $61.
Consider PAMFast connectors if you have enough self-tapping screws for driving your car. It's designed to work with pre-tapped screw-attached strips. A standard strip holds 50 screws, each 6.3 centimeters long. PAM can notably increase your work speed and reduce the chance of errors, but it costs $626.
Then we have the MX Fuel cordless drill rig. It can create 4 holes in concrete with a single charge, up to 25 centimeters in diameter for each base. It can go up to a maximum base diameter of 35.1/2 centimeters and features a quick cycle system for rapid cooling, reducing downtime. The price for this unit is $7,000.
With just an attachment, you can transform a regular chainsaw into a debarker, making bark removal an easy task. To use the attachment, you'll need a minimum of 1.66 horsepower. It clears a significant strip of 107 millimeters with a single pass. You can purchase the attachment for $128.
It looks like a $1,900 saw blade. It comes with a 530 x 650 mm platform and is easy to maneuver with just one hand across 4 height levels. Also, thanks to its built-in wheels.
This simple little cutter is excellent for cutting fabric, cardboard, wood, film, and much more in circles. It has an 18mm circular blade and can cut circles from 4 to 22 centimeters in diameter. You can get it for only $14.
Pellenc Fixion 2 is a lightweight and user-friendly tool that increases the speed of tying rebars by 10 times. It's notably lightweight, weighing just 800 grams. With a full battery charge, it can operate for a day or complete 15,000 ties. The tool is priced at $1,500.
This tool stands out from others as its head can rotate 180 around the circumference, minimizing the risk of going backward for added safety. Designed to add extra speed to your job after patent-pending tightening, it measures 122 km in length and costs $100.
The MAKA tool is designed with a compact design to encompass extended functionalities. Along with measuring distance, area, and volume, it can identify various instruments within walls. Offering moisture meter and a seed detector readings, it's a valuable feature for many professionals. Available for $150.
Bid farewell to brooms and dustpans in your workshop. This vacuum cleaner and blower kit will handle cleaning duties, equipped with a 2 amp-hour battery and capable of blowing air at 300 km/h. Providing attachments and an extraction bag, it enables efficient and swift cleaning at $80.
For compacting concrete on bases and wall forms, there's a portable concrete vibrator available here. Lightweight, just over 8 kilograms, with 2 batteries, it can compact concrete for nearly 60 minutes. You can get the tool, 2 batteries, and a charger kit for $2,450.
Need to ensure precise tension on a wire? Reach for your tool bag. This tensioner works well with stranded wires, making tensioning easy and empowering you to strengthen a wire without cutting it. A set of 3 tensioners is available for $20.